Funky D, everybody. Welcome back once again to Funky D News Time. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, yeah. I know see a lot of people don't they wait for me to come out, come talk about the things when they happen in that our country. You know? I just say make I take my time, you know, take the watch them. Make I just take this period when I not come and take watch them. Take see whether these people when they into government, whether they go change. I can't see they never change. You know, so as I never change, I can say okay, make me I still bounce back again. Make I just, you know, give them small word. May I just tell them, you know, may I tell them things. May I let them know say no be so government they operate. But first of all, Funky D won't start with what happened to Ekweremadu last time. Whether not Dr. Ekweremadu, I been a Senator Ekweremadu, we don't want to know what it be. The thing what happened to them in Germany recently. Yeah, the whole world don't hear the story. Say get some people, some group of people, and they talk say, then say na IPOP people when they attack Mr. Ekweremadu in this place what they call Germany, when they travel, go do Yam Festival. I wonder the kind Yam Festival when these people, then they travel, leave Nigeria because of Yam Festival. Not too much money. Not too much money when they don't loot from us. Now they disturb them. Somebody like this Ekweremadu. And we hear say they invited Nangudo, but Nangudo miss out. I see miss out. And the hand did not come touch him. Then they still wait for him. Hand must to touch all of them one after the other. They never even touch Ekweremadu. Ekweremadu don't run with one small car where they take carry Ekweremadu. Come on for the place when he go attend for that New Yam Festival. According to them, you leave Nigeria. So the festival they do Nigeria not reach them. Now Germany, then they use our money. Just the way where they take our money, they sponsor 65,000 people go this pilgrimage where they call them Mecca. You get 65,000 people. Check them, ladies and gentlemen. If not $5,000 per each person, you go know how much when our government and how our government they take waste our money. That money when 65,000 people take enter that Mecca don't reach, give us, give us better thing in that nation. Electricity, that one don't bring up. That money if you calculate them, you get. But anyway, the issue of this Ekweremadu, ladies and gentlemen, Ekweremadu, Funky D say in when they brag say in help IPOB before, but don't forget say we know the people when prescribe IPOB. Ladies and gentlemen, the Northerners when be the Kabas with the Jubu now people like Ekweremadu, Okorocha, Ojozokalo, Nangudo, all of them now then force the outside, Northern Kabas prescribe these people. Now then tell them say make una prescribe these people before they will kill us finish. So now make una see them prescribe IPOB. But we know say a prescription not fly because IPOB not be any terrorist organization. The whole world don't tell them say IPOB not be any terrorist organization. Ladies and gentlemen, I say Ekweremadu na so una when be PDP and APC na so this is just the beginning. You get, this is just the beginning. Now so una go the see one after the other. They never even do anything. And I wonder why if they never even then hand not touch una, nothing do una don't they cry, say men, una go don't they. That is why I they tell Nigerian people say make them come together. Because we know say if everybody in general come together, stand up together, these people they not rich. APC, PDP they not rich. Abba Kyari Mama Daura they not rich. Then go wrong. All of them go wrong. So the issue when they have the things when they happen. Now be the question when that guy when they talk in that video they ask Ekweremadu. The people and Funky D don't they ask una this thing they come. Since waiting una don't contribute to people. The things now when they happen to una people when be the Southeast people, the killing, the beheading, the kidnapping, everything. Waiting be that thing when una don't contribute to our people. when some people again, when we don't know how then they reason, although we know say them be APC and PDP people, because now only PDP person and APC in a caucus, now only then they support these people. Nobody, no Nigerian person when they support them, because I know say now there they see money where they take the where they thief from us. That's why when I see then they support these people. Then they support PDP and APC, and there be few people they're not rich, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so make una stop to the support evil. Make una stop to the support. Now, so I was be Fulani people take this use of Okorocha. Make I just remind on because it be like say we when be Nigerian people, we they forget things quick. Now, so INEC, Northern Kabas, I mean Fulani Kabas, Jubri, all of them gang up together. Can't tell us when be Nigerian people say Okorocha no will get his certificate of return, because Okorocha
in the Senate.
I mean certificate of return in the Senate. Okay, now so Okorocha can't tell us see INEC then they prepare his certificate special. And those people when they Aso Rock Villa there, then they lie to 200 million Nigerian people. They tell us say Okorocha
person under duress.
threaten somebody. I mean, whole person somebody under duress. That is the INEC returning officer. Say making talk saying Okorocha and win that senatorial seat. When the senatorial seat. At the end of the day,
so they no go give am.
they can't say they not give Okorocha anything. They can't swear everything. They can't do everything what they do. At the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, they carry certificate of return. Give Okorocha. And Okorocha don't already open a mouth, tell the word saying a special, they must to give them that thing. And a special, they give them. Ladies and gentlemen, you know the reason why they give Okorocha that thing special. Because Okorocha know everything about this man, what they call Jubri Aminu Asudani. They know because they know say if they push too much, Okorocha feel explode. And Okorocha don't vow, tell them say Ingumo Asoro go drop down, Asoro go sink down if he open a mouth. Tell the word what you know about Jubri. That is why you see then call Okorocha one corner, can't give him the certificate. Jejely. Now today, Okorocha not talk what happen. So these people, they are still deceiving us. They continue to deceive us, and we no go agree. We no go accept them. Okay, look at this small thing that when happen to Ekweremadu. They don't talk say na help IPOB. Where you for help IPOB people? When be say na own and when be the Igbo leaders? I mean the Biafran leaders. Let's just put it that way. Igbo leaders generally na una spoil the whole thing. Na una no want Biafra to come. Na una send. You know, if me and you they talk, we know if we cancel this, you know. Now I send Operation Python dance, go meeting on the camel. Now I go tell the Northern Kabas, make them prescribe IPOB. The same Ekweremadu with these people, Okorocha them, or just Okalo them, Nayangudo them, all these people. So, ladies and gentlemen, now so the matter when concern these people bill, we no go agree, and they go continue to the disgrace on whether you be senator, whether you be governor, whether you be anything, where you be anywhere on a day. They don't tell us see make another enter abroad again. In fact, Donald Trump don't tell us in own now. Nigerian people don't tell us see una not fit enter abroad again without they not disgrace honor. Now so they'll continue. This is just the beginning, ladies and gentlemen. You get funky D. Again, ladies and gentlemen, we will talk the issue when concern this man they call this same Buhari certificate don't surface again. According to the news, Buhari don't go forge another certificate come. Say him attend Cambridge University in London. Present the certificate. I mean, they say, according to the news, now Abba Kyari, when be the chief of staff, now come and see, now he sign. Deliver everything. As then deliver the thing, now that man I sign for Buhari, hand to hand. For that this certificate issue, this Cambridge certificate issue. So now, they never even finished to talk about the one what happened about this, the primary and the secondary school where they don't forge come. Now, they don't go bring Cambridge own, say Buhari studied in London. The news say the DSS and the British police, they won't investigate the petition when PDP people submit to these people to probe Buhari's Cambridge certificate fraud. This one another fraud. Somebody like Festus Keyamo, when then they know how, then they tweet, where they take the tweet, they deceive Nigerian people, and just rush out, come tweet and say, Buhari certificate, Cambridge University, blah, 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 blah. Whereas, we don't know where Buhari go Cambridge, we don't know when he attend Cambridge University. Since 2015, this Cambridge University issue not come out. Now, the thing don't surface say, Buhari get Cambridge University certificate. Where these people they forge, where then they forge all these things, then they come out. Now, ordinary man do this thing when this a whole president of Nigeria they do. Una know the kind anger and the way when DSS and SSS and the police go deal with that person. But somebody like this man now, when we say primary school result, they don't see. Secondary, they don't tell us, say, now the soldier people, they don't tell us, say, they don't submit them. Everything where they tell us about the matter. People when go this military training, where they go together with Buhari, then talk, see, they not submit any result. Them not submit, including Buhari not submit. But Buhari then tell us, say, Abi Jubri, say, now the army people, I mean the military people, first time, say, now then holding certificate. Now Cambridge matter, now we hear now, say, in get certificate from Cambridge University. Ladies and gentlemen, we want me them probe this man, what they call Buhari and this APC evil government. Then they deceive 200 million Nigerian people, and they think say we still they live in the year 1985, 1984, 1960. They don't know say this time what would they na digital era. Now they don't lie on this certificate issue again. The Cambridge, a whole Cambridge, now the London people. But now because say our leaders when they that country, they know the reason well. They don't know their left from their right. I mean this APC and PDP government. Because if these people then get sense where they take results, suppose no say they're not supposed meet London people before we know say Buhari they talk through or Buhari they talk lie. Because if I like, for example, now if American people they want to do something, they're not go find British people say make them come help them. Or if German want to do something, they're not go say make them they find Italian people make them come help them. No. So that is why the I mean our government will not try. Buhari is supposed to be probed in that country. But because of corruption, okay, this DSS of a thing now, themselves corrupt. And then they for Buhari. And this same UK now when we say now them put us the one where we did today, now then now wants to investigate this same man. When we say now then join hand together, bring this man, push and give Nigerian people. And because we will not get leader, we not get somebody when they speak for us. People when they speak for us, APC and PDP people, then they harass them. Then they arrest them with the DSS. They intimidate them. They oppress them with DSS. If somebody won't talk, no problem. Now, they say make we not talk again. APC government, led by Buhari, say make we not yan again. We go continue to the yan and we no go stop. So, ladies and gentlemen, the issue of Buhari certificate, this is another scandal. Another Jubri scandal. Certificate coming from London University, Cambridge University. We never hear this one before. So the certificate now is exposed again. Just exactly the way when they cannot expose Jubri. when the world, I mean the Nigerian people, the lazy youth, una no want stand up. Una just dey there, they mumu up and down. They look this APC people. Why they not go deal with una? Then go deal with una because now una don't accept a bag of rice and Maggi and tin of tomato.
Oh, you don't tell them before.
When we don't tell una before, say make una not go near these people. Una not hear word. Una go carry this. Expire sanitizer, everything, granite, everything that they give una. In fact, people they die put where they take the rush the expired sanitizer from APC government. Also, bad no go inside market share money. Everybody, some people say go die. 1 naira, 2 naira, 10 naira. They give people. I say now the thing una will see be that. Because una will see good thing, una will talk see now the bad one, now be the good one. So that next 4 years level. But we know go agree, make these people they reach that 4 years time when they claim that 2023 now when they talk say somebody go come. I don't want to mention your name again, may not be like say we still they promote that one on its own. No 2023. No revolution, no 2023. And we know say revolution is confirmed. Now here Funky D go stop this matter. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know say you never subscribe to Funky D before, begin subscribe right now. If you never share my video before, share my video, share them well. Tell Ekweremadu say this one na just the beginning. They never see anything. Okorocha is there. People they wait for you. This man, what did they call his name? Ojos Okalu. They say that they wait for now. You get. So now so the matter be. Ekweremadu never see anything. All the whole Nigerian senators, they never begin see anything. This is just the beginning, including the governors. This one are just the beginning. So ladies and gentlemen, we'll just stop here. Share my video, share and scatter, share and give Ekweremadu. Let Ekweremadu know say man.
Never say anything.
They never even start. They never even start, they don't they cry. I show the matter view. One love everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye.